Welcome. I'm Thanya. Finance can be like a friendly chat.
Imagine this. You're the CFO of a multinational group with 15 subsidiaries, 3 joint ventures, and multiple branches spread across regions. Each entity runs its own numbers, reports costs differently, and leaves you drowning in spreadsheets just to see the bigger picture. What if, in one click, an AI finance agent, powered by GPT, could group every entity's cost, highlight hidden patterns, and even flag outliers instantly? That's exactly what the Cost Structure Intelligence Agent, Premium Level, does. Today, we'll explore its entity-level grouping feature through real case-style prompts and see how this tool transforms complexity into clarity. Let's step into a real-world scenario. Imagine you're part of a multinational organization managing multiple subsidiaries, joint ventures, and branches spread across continents. Every executive asks the same question: where exactly is the money going? Instead of juggling spreadsheets and endless reports, the Cost Structure Intelligence Agent, Premium Level, delivers answers instantly through its entity-level grouping feature. Let's walk through how it works, step by step. The first step is grouping costs by business entity and summarizing them by region. With one command, the agent organizes expenses across subsidiaries in Asia, branches in the Americas, and JVs in Europe. The graph displays regional totals, the table breaks them down by entity, and the analysis explains trends. Leaders instantly see where regional cost pressures are strongest without digging through raw data. Next, executives want to know who's carrying the highest overhead. The agent identifies the top 3 entities by overhead cost. A ranking chart highlights the leaders, while the table confirms the detail. The analysis points to where overhead control matters most, spotlighting the entities that deserve closer management focus. To compare efficiency, the agent creates a chart showing cost breakdown across entities. Each entity's expenses are split into categories: overhead, SG&A, operations. The graph visualizes structural differences, the table organizes exact values, and the analysis tells the story: which entities run lean and which carry heavier support costs. Finance teams often need working files. With a single request, the agent generates a downloadable report showing costs grouped by function: sales, admin, R&D, within each entity. The graph helps visualize functional allocation, the table structures the detail, and the analysis explains the key drivers. Hours of manual data prep vanish into seconds. Executives also ask, which entities are off budget? The agent identifies outliers with the highest variance. A variance chart flags those running far above plan, the table quantifies the gap, and the analysis explains possible reasons. Instead of looking for needles in a haystack, the outliers are brought straight to the surface.
Every step can be fun. Finance is easier when we enjoy it.
Tracking performance over time is critical. The agent highlights total cost by entity across the last 6 months. The trend graph shows the rise and fall for each entity. The table records monthly totals, and the analysis connects the dots, whether costs are stabilizing, spiking, or declining. Finance teams gain a clear time-based perspective. Sometimes management only wants to focus on specific types of entities. The agent applies filters by group, subsidiary, joint venture, or branch. The graph recalculates to show only the filtered group, the table updates accordingly, and the analysis narrows the lens. This flexibility helps leaders answer targeted questions quickly. SG&A expenses often raise red flags. The agent compares SG&A costs across all entities. A bar chart highlights the spread, the table provides ratios and totals, and the analysis explains who operates lean and who spends heavily. This comparison guides efficiency drives across the enterprise. Another common question: who contributes the most to total cost? The agent answers with a contribution analysis. A pie chart shows each entity's share, the table gives precise numbers, and the analysis interprets concentration levels. Leaders can instantly see which entities drive the largest portion of group expenditure. And finally, the most strategic view: profitability. The agent summarizes entity-level costs by profitability ratio. The graph aligns entities by margin performance, the table reports ratios side by side, and the analysis connects cost with returns. It's no longer just about who spends most, but about who generates the most value.
Start your free 30-day trial. Finance feels playful with Thanya.
As you've seen, The entity-level grouping feature transforms how finance leaders view cost structures across subsidiaries, joint ventures, and branches. Instead of drowning in fragmented reports, you gain a clear, consolidated picture of where costs are, how they compare, and how they impact profitability. The benefit is simple: better clarity, faster decisions, and more control. Finance teams spend less time building spreadsheets and more time guiding strategy. Executives no longer guess. They act on real insights delivered instantly by the agent. And remember, this is just one of many features in the Cost Structure Intelligence Agent, premium level. With this tool, you also unlock cost breakdown analysis, fixed versus variable cost split, overhead allocation, manual and auto, production cost rate, SG&A cost breakdown and percent trends, breakeven analysis, department and project views, multi-period forecast comparisons, previous budget versus actual comparisons, Excel upload capability, interactive graphs and charts, cost absorption analysis, dashboard summary outputs, multi-currency/FX normalization, multi-entity cost roll-ups, AI suggestions for optimization, FX normalization per entity, multi-project consolidation, variance across entities, cost roll-up by region or segment. This is finance reimagined with AI, structured, automated, and intelligent. Start your 30-day free trial today by clicking the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more real case studies across all 33 finance agents. With the AI Finance Agent, you don't just manage costs, you master them. The future of financial intelligence is here. Don't miss it.